Back at it again with the West Bend microwave, and I have two light bulbs here today actually. They're both halogens, they're both glass. One is just see-through and the other isn't, so we're gonna see which one is funnier. See if they explode. Yeah, they're lighting up. That was so loud. Next up, this light bulb. This one's gonna light up too, and I bet it's gonna explode. I'm just waiting for it. Oh, it's being weird. I can't see it, but it's... Oh, Jesus Christ, that was... Yep, they both exploded. I don't know what I was expecting, but that was definitely something.